Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have to make a pair of shoes for one of my clients to wear to the Tiger's home opener. And when I was brainstorming ideas for the shoes and for this video, I was thinking that this needs to be a pair that I can do in probably about a day or so. Something that might only take me 5 hours, and then I can condense everything down to a 5-minute video. But you see, the thing is, when you're doing stuff like multi-layer stencils and just trying to give your shoes that really clean, precise factory look, that type of stuff takes time, and it's hard to rush it no matter how much experience you have. And any artist will tell you, whatever timeline you think a project will initially take, you can just go ahead and multiply that by 3 for how long it'll actually take. And that just so happened to be the case here with this pair that I thought would only take me about 5 hours, ended up taking me over 15 hours total to get them done. But that's just how it goes sometimes. So anyways, let's get into it.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and drop a like on this video if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and now everybody get out there and just create.